next what we're going to do is we are going to use the Magnetic Lasso tool. And what we're going to move is this thing. It's called the Nautilus, apparently. I just learned that. And so what we want to do is we want to find the Magnetic Lasso tool. It's underneath the regular lasso tool. So you hit the letter L. There's the lasso tool. You can either click on it and select magnetic or go Shift L a couple times till you get this one. Now, you will notice, I'm just going to show you right now. I'm not going to zoom in yet. Okay, so please notice that this shell this muscle here is already selected. As soon as I go down, and I'm just going to do it here in the white, and I click here, you'll notice that the muscle is no longer selected. I'm selecting down here, and it's no more selected. And the reason why is because that muscle was closed. It was a closed figure. When I select outside of it, it automatically forgets about what was selected there and says, oh, hey, you want to do a new one. So you don't have to use the Control D or Command D to deselect if you're going to something new. All right, so I have not selected what I wanted. I'm going to hit Escape, and I'm going to hit Z to zoom. Notice Scrubby Zoom is not turned on. I'm going to draw a box around the Nautilus, and it zooms in. Then I'm going to hit L again, and it goes back to the magnetic lasso that I want. I love this tool. This thing is awesome. Check this out. Okay, so you need to have a fair amount of difference in the object that you need in order to use the magnetic lasso tool. But basically what it does, I'm just going to start here by clicking. I let go of the mouse button, and I'm just dragging the mouse around or moving the mouse, and it is keeping to the edge. Look, I'm actually even going a little bit off. See that? Oh, darn. It picked a spot that was off. When you get a spot that doesn't work, just hit delete. Boom. And I back up. If it's not doing the job that you want it to, just click. And it will automatically put a spot in there. I'm going to click. See? It's putting that in. But to tell you the truth, I don't really need to. It's putting in its own little boxes. And I'm going to actually speed up and just keep on going around this Nautilus. There we go. Coming down here. Let's see how fast I can go before I have a problem. Well, I'm going to click here because I'm changing direction. Going fast. Not bad. I click on the last one to make it a closed figure. That's pretty good. I like it. Alright, and now we're going to zoom out. Control 0 or Command 0. We zoom out. V for the Move tool. And we're going to drag it up to the spot where we're supposed to have it. Right there. Awesome. Okay. Command D or Control D to deselect, and we'll save by going Command S or Control S. There it is. It's now saved. Great.